Alright guys, welcome back to Hundley TA. It is Tuesday and we're jumping back in here with SPY once again. So we did hit this this downtrend and couldn't quite break through it, so it's on its way down now. We'll see how it reacts to this trend line once it gets there. But yeah, for now, still still no trades I'd really take here on SPY unless you want to zoom in on smaller time frames. Might find something, but I don't really trade SPY, so that's sorry about that. That's not what I'll be doing anyway. So on to crypto. Bitcoin's really struggling. It's trying to stay above this uptrend, but it's really not looking good right now. So it may be on its way down if it does crack this trend line here. So I do have this Wi-Fi set up here. It did break down below this support zone. So I'm waiting for this candle to close in the next hour and a half. And if it closes beneath, then I'll enter this trade for a short if it does come back and retest. We'll just jump right back into Forex. As you can see, I made a note here that I exited. Luckily, the price did come back and trigger my take profit that I moved down to this zone because it just couldn't seem to stay above that. So I did exit there. And it was in profit, so can't complain. UD CAD just dumped and was a winner. Just kind of had a bit of a double top there, so that one worked out nicely. I actually wanted to go back to this NZD CAD one because I've had a few of these trades before that if I did a 1-to-1 risk to reward, it would have been profitable. So this one would have exited in profits at a 1-to-1. However, I come and look at one like this that would have worked at a 1.75. So yeah, I'm still trying to gather enough data to make a good decision on where to put my take profits at moving forward, because I do have a lot of these that are 1-to-1s that would be successful, and then I have more of these that would be successful at even higher profit targets. So yeah, hoping I can get enough data to make that decision the best I can. So anyway, on to your JPY. This one just keeps attacking this zone here. It's making me kind of nervous because it is making higher lows. It's like wanting to break this zone. This is just on the 4-hour. I'm sure if we zoom out like the weekly, it doesn't look anything like that. You know, it's just a candle wick. So yeah, that one I'm still watching. And even back here, it hit this zone quite a few times before it ultimately dumped down. So GBP NZD has not entered the trade yet. Same here with Euro NZD, has not reached my entry yet. AUDCHF was hoping to come back for the retest. It didn't. It came down to this one instead. If it does bounce here, I do still want to keep this trade open, so I would still like to take a short there because it's in a downtrend. You know, has lower lows. It did have a spike up here, so it wasn't a lower high, but I still think that would be a decent short there. Euro AUD, this one just broke this resistance zone here. I've got a long ready to go if it comes back for the retest. So hopefully it does do that. USD CAD, same kind of thing. There's a little bit more of a localized zone here, so it's a little more fresh. So I think that one could work out. Hopefully NZD USD, this one broke down beneath its resistance zone. Looking for a short here. I gotta be a little cautious about something like this happening, but yeah, other than that, should hopefully be good to go. GBP USD, haven't quite put this trade up yet. I don't think the break's been convincing enough yet. I have to wait another 3 hours for this candle to close. But if it does, then I'll put in a short probably. I still would like to put this on there just to see how that would look. You guys can get a quick look at how I set up my trades. Put exactly on the top or bottom of the zone. In this case, the bottom, since it's a short. And I like to keep my stop above like these wicks, you know, if it's coming up to test and it just wicks through. I like to keep my stop above that typically, and then just a 1 to 1.25. So that's what that trade would look like for me. So anyway, yeah, that's all I got for today. We do have a couple nice opportunities. Hopefully they will pan out, and we'll have to keep a close eye on Bitcoin, because as of right now, it's really struggling to keep its uptrend intact, and it may be on its way down. So let me know down in the comments what you guys have been watching, or what you guys have been trading. Excuse me, and hit that like and subscribe on your way out. Thanks, guys.